I threw a boomerang the other day. Bloody thing still hasn't come back. G'day folks, how's it going? And welcome to Trev's Life HQ. Well, today I was going to do a cooking show, but it's a rainy, bit of a horrible old day, so I reckon it might be time to do a couple of dad jokes. Look at that rain out there. Rain, rain, rain. I don't think the camera's looking at, there we go. Rain, rain, rain. Now the other day Elise told me I was immature. I said, you know what? Get out of my fort. You know, parallels. You know, parallel lines have so much in common. It's a shame they'll never meet. Some bugger stole my mood ring the other day. You know, I don't know how I feel about that. I was reading some statistics the other day, and they reckon somebody gets stabbed every 52 seconds in London. Whew. Poor bastard. You know, working in a mirror factory is something I could totally see myself doing. Oh, that's terrible. Hey, why do cows wear bells? Because their horns don't work. Alright, this is just a quick giggle video for today. Hope you've enjoyed it. Remember, like, share and subscribe, and we'll keep smashing out the content. Righto, see you later.